Let's learn today how to make a crepe. Let's jump into some fun-filled ingredients.
Hi, my name is Calla, and today I'll be teaching you how to make a crepe. Let's jump into some ingredients. So we have 1 cup of flour, 2 tablespoons of butter, 2 large eggs, a half a cup of milk. We're using lactose-free, but use whatever you want, feel free. And we're using a half a cup of water, a 4th teaspoon of salt, a knife for our leveler, a bowl, and you'll only need 1 bowl. Then we have our crepe pan and our crepe leveler.
All right, now let's mix.
Hi again. Next, we're going to do some ingredients. So you're going to want to put your crepe pan to the side and that leveler. Bring the bowl front and center. So this is the order we're going to put the stuff in. First, the eggs. And that's okay if the counter gets a little messy. That's the whole point. Some milk. Some water. It says high quality baking guys. Some salt. There's a little salt.
And so on.
Now we have the batter really smooth. See how there's no chunks in it? Very smooth and stuff like that. And you're not going to want any more ingredients unless you want to double it in a different bowl. Then that can happen too. So now that your batter's all mixed, I already turned my stove on, and so it's heating right now, the pan. And so we're going to put the batter on it, and then we're going to spread it like so. So you're going to want to take the whisk out and put it in your milk bowl per se. It's fine if it gets messy. It's completely part of it. Just going to pour whatever you think is really good. And you're going to spread it with this thing. See how you're not making a big gap, you're evening it out. And you can put more. What do you think this is really hard for one too. Where do you think you want to put more? And just put that there. So you're going to spread that out where these cracks and crevices are, because you don't want a hole in your crepe, do you? Well, I'll answer that question. You do not want a hole in your crepe, because then it will just fall apart. And once you think you have enough batter, you're just going to want to let it sit. But I don't think I have enough batter, so just spreading it out, being very gentle with it as I go. And spreading, make sure the corners are perfectly good. Alright! So basically now we're going to put this crepe onto the plate. So if you use the technique that I used, you're going to scooch it. Just like that. And come over and look at the crepe we made today. It looks really good. And we can put some ingredients on it now.
You can do whatever you like. There's tons of options.
I like it plain. Sometimes I put butter and even whipped cream because it's like a cousin to the pancake. But you could use whipped cream or strawberries, which is a classic. There's also cheese, ham, and other things you could do.
What you gotta do is enjoy, 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 and enjoy.